We've spent the last 20 years focusing on individuals, personalisation, all about you, all about me, my KPIs, my bonus, my life. The next big stage is to bring back community. We are going to learn together, facilitated and helped by AI. We're going to learn as a community, and that learning is going to be widely shared. And when we start to share learning, we create learning organisations. Learning organisations are by definition resilient and adaptable, and they will be the future.
We're on the edge of so much in terms of transformation. There's no doubt that everything is transforming. We haven't figured out really what it looks like. We are in the messy phase, but it is incredibly exciting if we can get a little bit beyond the kind of early stage fear and apprehension. But if we can get to the point where we are tapping into that productive, constructive moment and can start to actually shape this transformation, what an opportunity that is. It's the biggest opportunity of your life, I think.
So it's very clear that we're going to be using AI in all parts of our lives moving forward. But we have a risk here, and that is that we can have AI sort of done to us, applied to us, or we can design the AI tools that we want for the future of learning. That depends on learning leaders being very engaged in shaping what the future of these AI tools are. If we do AI right, we should have the fingerprints of educators all over the AI tools that we're using. If we do that, we will have an amazing set of tools that will help bring us into the future of learning.
When we talk about such systems as artificial intelligence, we tend to be overly technical. And I, for one, believe that we need to think about human-centered design, which means that we need to involve the humans for whom we design these tools. That means iterating over our design process. That means feeding back into the loop the feedback that we get from the users or from the humans that we design for, and refining the systems with that feedback.
One of the big pain points for learning organizations is relevancy, adaptability, agility for what is this really transcending, transformational environment that generative AI is really pushing us towards. So upskilling, reskilling workers across industries, I think, is that big piece. I think the coolest thing, or to me the most interesting thing about this, is the opportunity to drive hyper-personalized learning at scale, learning that's meaningful, that's interesting, and that really does have an impact on workers, and then as a part of that, obviously, organizations that L&D organizations work with.